had started before, but my son messed it up, so we had to start over. Anyway, I had my grease for my liver. I got my rice in the back. I'm boiling that down. Then I seasoned my liver. I washed it, and I'm seasoning it. So now I'm putting it into flour. You only need maybe a couple. You don't need to put a lot of flour on the liver because you don't want it to crust up. I don't like that crust. I just want my flour to make my gravy. It might crust up a little bit, but not to the point where it's thick on your like a chicken. Put these in, and they have to fry on both sides. You don't want to cook your liver all the way just now. You really want to round it up. Another batch to put in. Okay. So I'm gonna pause it. Come back to y'all. My liver already turned it over. Now, so see, now you see a little crust on that liver a little bit. I don't want it to be like I'm eating chicken. I don't want it hard, not this shit. So you gonna put gravy on it, it's gonna soften it up a little bit better. That's the best way to eat liver with some gravy. I have eaten it this way, but I'd rather have it with a little bit of gravy. It'll make its own gravy and it's toast. I'm going to let these crust a little bit on this side, not that much. And then I'm going to take it out and start my second batch. And then I'm going to show you what I do after that. I got my onions on, I got my liver right here. My rice is back there steaming. I'm going to transfer, I'm going to make my gravy, a little bit of my gravy right here in this pan so I can start my base. So I can put it in there. Because this filling ain't big enough for all that liver. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry my onions down right now. And I'm going to take some of my meat and put it back in here. When I put the meat in here, I'm going to cover it with a little bit of hot water. So it's cooking that meat. Let my meat go in that pot. I have my door right here. And so I'm going to pour it all over into there, and then I'll come back. Okay, see I put my livers on top of my onions. So now what we're going to do is put it on my so now I have the livers on top of onions. I got my skillet up, not high, but like on medium. So when I put this water in here, it's going to kind of water, it should kind of, I didn't want it to really go shh, but this is enough, because I want it to cook slow, because I want these livers to get kind of soft, really tender. So I wish I had another skillet, but right at this time I don't, so I'm not doing this. That's why after I pull all that stuff off the bottom doing this, with that meat in there and the onion, I'm going to pour it off everything. Because see, this skillet right here is where all the seasoning is. Now y'all see how I got a good boil on my my gravy for my liver. The liver is not completely done, and I wanted it that way because I wanted to kind of finish cook it in my gravy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this into this pot because this is going to overflow, and I can put some more water in this pot, and then I'll be closer to the end of my meal, and then I will come back and we'll show you the result. There's water in it. So what I did was I blasted it on high. And I pour some of the water out so it gets thick, see? So it makes a good gravy, because liver makes great gravy. Now, that it's about thick as I like it. But I'm going to turn it down, I turn it all the way down on low. The meat's still as tender as I want it to be. So now I'm going to keep it on low like this. And I'm going to put my top on it so it starts steaming. And that meat will start getting soft. Right now, it's tender. But we're getting close, but look at that gravy. And it tastes so good, y'all. Look. It tastes so good, it do. So, and by the way, I forgot, I took a few steps that I didn't show y'all. I just put two beef bouillon cubes in here, and so I added a little bit of salt because they already hold a lot of salt. So I put a little bit of salt and pepper too. So I think the end product I'm gonna put a little bit more pepper, but we'll come back again and I'll show you the end results. It might take a little bit. This is the end result right here. I'm gonna make me some lima beans to go on the side of this, but I just didn't feel I forgot about it. So anyway, the liver is It's not as tender as I usually would make it because I let it cook for a long time. I'm hungry, but it's done. So I got my rice up under my liver. The gravy looks so good. I can make me some biscuits, and like I said, I'm gonna make me some lima beans to go on the side. Maybe a little bit of salt, pepper. My mom used to put a little green onion on hers, but I don't have any right now. So this is the end result. It's beef, liver, and gravy and rice with biscuits. It tastes so good, y'all. I got a few friends I want to see if y'all, do y'all like liver? Can y'all put in the comments, do you like the beef liver? You know, a lot of people don't like liver because of the texture, but it's good for you, and it's really, really good. So thank y'all. Tune in for some more videos. I'm gonna be cooking tomorrow too.